Hi, it's Mr. Hove from Bluefin Vision. I'm tackling the issue today, can lens replacement surgery cure glaucoma? And the answer is this. If the type of glaucoma you have is closed angle glaucoma, then lens replacement surgery, which removes the natural lens from your eye, will create additional space in the eye, which will cure the closed angle problem. So either cataract surgery or lens replacement surgery in narrow angle patients or narrow angle glaucoma patients can be curative of their glaucoma by creating space by removing the natural lens in the eye and replacing it with a clear plastic lens. This extra space allows the flow of aqueous into the trabecular meshwork and thereby lowers the intraocular pressure. So lens replacement or cataract surgery can be curative for closed angle or narrow angle glaucoma by creating the additional space in the eye to allow the flow of aqueous normally. Thank you.